In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a note to an appointment in Fresha. Whether you're keeping track of client preferences or just want to jot down a reminder for yourself, this quick tutorial will guide you through the seamless process of adding notes, ensuring your schedule stays organized and thorough. Let's start by heading over to your Fresha dashboard. This is where you can manage all your appointments, check your calendar, and basically get an overview of your upcoming schedule. If you're new to Fresha, don't worry. It's very user-friendly and designed to make your life easier as you manage your bookings. Once you're on the dashboard, look for any appointment you've made. These appointments could be for tomorrow, next week, or even later today. Click on any one of these appointments and you'll notice a pop-up window appears. This window gives you detailed information about that specific appointment, like who it's with, the time, and any other particulars you may have already entered. Next, focus your attention on that little icon with the 3 dots. You can find it situated next to the Save button, towards the bottom of the pop-up. Clicking on these 3 dots will present you with a few options, and the one you want to click on is Add a Note. This option usually appears right at the top, making it easy to locate. Now you can enter your note into the provided space. This is your opportunity to include any details you'd like to remember about the appointment. Perhaps some specifics about the client's previous visit, or a quick reminder to check in on a particular detail during the session. Remember, these notes can be invaluable for providing a personal touch in your customer service or important reminders for ongoing tasks. After you've penned down your thoughts, simply hit the Save button. By doing this, the note gets attached to the chosen appointment, and voila, your note is now part of the appointment's record. You can come back to review it whenever you need to refamiliarize yourself with what's important for that particular meeting or session. And that's it. You've successfully added a note to an appointment in Fresha. This little tip can make a big difference in how effectively you manage your appointments, ensuring you always have the details you need right at your fingertips. So feel free to start enhancing your client interactions by keeping all your critical notes neatly organized within each booking. Thank you for tuning in today, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.